Flamingo Hair Removal Cream Review. Worth it and does it really work? Flamingo Hair Removal Cream Review. Worth it and does it really work? If you're tired of shaving or waxing, Flamingo Hair Removal Cream promises smooth, hair-free skin without pain. But the big question is, does it really work, or is it just another gimmick? Most people get this wrong by assuming all hair removal creams are harsh or ineffective. The surprising truth is that Flamingo Hair Removal Cream is formulated to dissolve hair just above the skin surface, offering results in just a few minutes. Many users report soft, smooth skin without the nicks or irritation that shaving can cause. You won't believe what happens next. Results vary depending on hair thickness and skin type. People with coarse hair may need repeated applications, and sensitive skin users should do patch test first. The cream contains moisturizing ingredients to reduce irritation, but leaving it on too long can cause discomfort. For best results, apply to clean, dry skin, follow the instructions closely, and rinse thoroughly after use. Avoid sensitive areas like broken or inflamed skin. In conclusion, Flamingo Hair Removal Cream can be an effective, convenient alternative to shaving or waxing. While it works for most users, it's important to follow the instructions carefully and test on a small area first. With proper use, it offers smooth, hair-free skin in minutes, making it a worthwhile option for many.